Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to remove Instagram from Account Center. It's super easy, so let's get into it. Now the first thing that we need to do is open the Instagram app on our phone. Click on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, click on the three horizontal line located at the top right corner of the screen and click on Account Center. Scroll all the way until you see Accounts. Click on that. And to remove your Instagram, you just need to click on Remove, Remove Account, and you just need to click on Continue to successfully remove your Instagram account from Account Center. And that's it. That's how you remove your Instagram account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!